Hi there, how are you? Welcome back to M Talks and the second video of the Myth Ignorance Busters series. Yeah, in this video, we're going to talk about one myth that probably dates very long back, talking about never taking a loan. That's what they used to say. And even today, in spite of so many different options, when we go to take a loan or a mortgage, there is this, some kind of a hesitation in the back of our minds. But then again, let's look at how all this happened. Why did people say that? Because there was a time when the finance business or the banking industry was not structured, in fact, not regulated at all. So people were at the mercy of these unscrupulous money lenders. They borrowed money, and if they actually defaulted or they couldn't pay on time, they were really taken to task. And these money lenders made people's life miserable. So the fear started from there, and people were like really hesitant to take loans. But let's look at the thing today. Today, you have a very structured, very regulated financial banking industry, which really cannot actually exploit people anymore. And there are a lot of options for you to take loans. And for example, if you want to buy a house, today nobody buys a house with full money up front. And why should you? Because it doesn't make sense to block up all your monies in one property or one investment. Then what do you do for the rest of your life? And then again, the easier option would be to pay a part money as upfront, take a loan from a bank, and banks offer housing loan or mortgage loans at very nominal interest rates. Well, yeah, but then interest rate is an expense. So if people are talking about it, look at if you were to buy a property over a period of time, the property value is going to increase. So that will more than cover the interest that you have to pay to service your debt. Or, for example, you want to buy a car. Nobody actually pays cash up front and buys a car. So they take an auto loan, which again is a not very expensive form of loan. Or even for appliances these days, if you want to buy a television, you get interest free loan schemes. How the banks make money through the retailers, that's their problem. But as far as we are concerned, we don't pay interest and we have an option of staggering our expense. So what better way to actually get all the things that we want in life than to take a loan? And another important aspect you have to keep in mind, when you're buying a property, if the bank is involved, if they are funding it, they will make sure the documentation is proper for the property so that tomorrow you don't have a hassle with the property. Or if you take an automobile loan, if no, let's God forbid something wrong, you have an accident or something, the banks get involved with the insurance companies to kind of make sure that you get or the insurance pays you on time, or these things get taken care of. Then again, there is a small catch to it. Now, for you to get a loan from a bank, you need to have a credit history. If you don't, then you have to start right from scratch. So it's a good thing actually to take a small loan and pay it on time so that you show the bank that you are a financially responsible person. You take care of your commitments seriously and you pay your loans on time. It builds a credit history so that the banks are willing to lend or give you more money for different purposes without hesitation. And if you do this over a period of time constantly, there are so many things that you can actually achieve. You can evolve, grow, you can build, you can actually keep on buying property, and that's how you become wealthy. And the best part is, even if you are, let's say, an organization, an entrepreneur, if you're doing very well, now how do you expand? You probably can get more investors in, but that means sharing your profit. So the best option for you would be to take a loan from a bank so that you can grow your business and actually develop yourself into a larger structure. See, there are so many benefits that you get out of taking loans off late. So the myth about not taking a loan, spend only what you have, don't overextend, don't get into a debt trap, all that is actually out of the window now. However, having said that, it is prudent to be responsible, to make sure that you really don't overextend yourself, by borrowing too much that you can't repay. So borrow for a particular purpose, a particular a product like a car or a television or property, and make sure that you make your repayments on time. And also make sure that your borrowing is, or the monthly payments or the mortgages that you have to pay, is well within what you can handle. That's the simple thing that you have to follow. So you do that, the world is at your doorstep. Yeah? Think about it. This is what I wanted to share with you in this video. If you like it, please hit the like button. If you subscribe, I will appreciate it. And if you want to get notified on more videos that I'm going to actually put out there, hit the notification button. In the meanwhile, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye for now.